Hi, I'm Don. I use the UglyDeck.com DIY program. I found them on the website and learned a little bit about their program. I was able to have them design my deck for me and have all the materials that I needed for my deck. So it was a pretty seamless process to make that happen. All the material got delivered into the driveway. And then I had my crew of friends and family help me build my deck. I was able to access DIY videos online that helped guide me through some of the process that I wasn't sure how to do. And then I had a few times where I had some questions and was able to access email or phone calls to the people at the UglyDeck.com home office, and they were able to walk me through that. Also, one of the better things about the DIY program is that they put on the ledger board and did the piers for me, so two things that I was really not capable of doing. So I would highly recommend using UglyDeck.com for their DIY program. It worked out really well.